So I bought myself a fancy dancy um, thing here that is on the beamer on the dashboard that I can put my phone on and mount my phone there, and it will recharge my phone. So all you have to do is put power to it, and it is a magnetic recharger for the phone. So not only does your phone stay up there, but it gets recharged while it's up there. Okay, there's only one problem, and that is I had to take out the stereo. I had to take out the climate control unit. I had to take out this entire center console so that I could snake the wires behind everything and snake it up here invisibly, and so that I could get to these wires that were supposed to power the cigarette lighter. And I'm going to kidnap the power off of these two wires. But in order to do that, I had to tear everything out and get to those power wires that are here. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is we have a ashtray here that closes, right? And I'm going to put a USB port in here so that if there are more USB needed, I'm going to go ahead and mount the USB in here so I have a hidden away USB in the front, which this car does not have. So I had to tear half the car apart to make this idea happen. Woohoo! Yes, I'm insane. It's certifiable. Okay. Okay, guys, so here is the cigarette lighter and the USB plug-in, and that is going to hide in there. Now, the wires here, you can see the red wire in there here that goes in and supplies the cigarette lighter. So everything's plugged in, and you can see that the doohickey is charging. Now watch when I take it away, and you see it's plugged in down there, okay? And you can see it's purple, which means it's live. And I put this up here, and it begins charging. Okay, now you will also notice that in the ashtray, I've made a hole, and a USB cable is going to come up through the hole, which is also going to plug in here and supply more USB. There's only one USB port, and I use that for music, and it's very weak. So here I can recharge headsets if I have to. Also, if people come in and have their own phone, or they have an Apple or whatever they need to do, they can plug in. It's just going to be a female USB socket that they can plug any cable into. Okay, so this one is static. This one stays, but this one is going to be generic, so they can do whatever they want. Okay, that is the plan. Now, this cable is coming in tomorrow, so I can't button this up until I get that other cable and plug it in down here. But everything is up and running. It worked, and let's see. You got to kind of get it situated right, and then it starts charging. So not only does it hold it for me, but it charges it up, which is a big deal because, you know, I'm often with a dead phone. Okay, bye.